for sticking around on my channel because I haven't really been posting much, but I'm back with an unboxing video today. So I'm really happy to be back on YouTube and creating this content again because I missed it. But that being said, I might stumble a little bit and not know exactly how to act over here. So let's see how well I can do. My name is Mandy and I am a serial entrepreneur, lifestyle influencer, reseller, upcycler. I call myself the modern day Martha Stewart. You know, I aspire to be much like her. She has amazing taste. She's incredible at everything she does. She is a Jill of all trades and she is a wonderful businesswoman. That's kind of where my business has shifted since the pandemic, from just primarily reselling to incorporating all of that. So I'm monetized on TikTok, I'm monetized on Instagram. I hope to be monetized over here as well. And I really enjoy the influencer creator piece of this. So if you haven't already, I would love if you like this video that you give it a thumbs up. You also hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I actually upload content. That would be accountability for me, so yay. And if you want to see more of this, please hit that subscribe button. I would much appreciate at some point getting monetized over here on YouTube. I love the support. Thank you all for those of you who have stuck around. Today I have an unboxing, and right now, if you're in the reseller community, you know that boxes, particularly mystery boxes or liquidation or reseller boxes, have had their fair share of controversy at times, depending on who the person is that is.
This girl is gonna drive me crazy.
Ha, does it look stupid? Oh well. Depending on who the person is that, you know, is selling it, sometimes they can be marketed very differently than what people feel they get. Sometimes it really does, it's just straight scammy types of behavior. So recently in the reseller community, we've had a little bit of scandal with boxes, but I thought it would be really great to promote someone who I know is an excellent businesswoman who I recently made a purchase from. I purchased a box from Denali, ducho thrift. She has a great YouTube over here. Probably already follow her because she's amazing and everybody should be following her. She's a great mentor in our community and she's an exceptional businesswoman and she operates with integrity. So I would highly recommend buying a box from her if you like what you see and this is your type of thing. Then another person I would like to promote as far as boxes while I'm at it in the community would be Tiye, Luxehuntress. So I am going to link both of those ladies' Instagrams down below in the description of this video. So please do head over to Instagram and give both of those amazing women a follow. If you're interested in boxes, I think those are two that I can vet personally that I think, from what I've seen, Tiye has Luxeboxes and there's always a waiting list for those. And Denali, you know, her reputation precedes her and that's why I felt absolutely okay buying this box from Denali. So when I filmed the first video, I was like, I don't even know if I'm gonna post an unboxing on YouTube. And then the first videos that I recorded, my audio is jacked. So now I'm redoing it with the intent of helping our community. So if you're a newer reseller, these might be two ladies that you could really feel comfortable with purchasing from. I know I do, and they're highly regarded in our community. So again, I will link their information down below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Now I'm gonna tell you it's been opened because I already filmed, I've already gone through all this. So it's already open. So we're not gonna have like a blind or a live unboxing here, like with my reactions. I already know everything that's in here. And let me get the data so I can tell you what box I purchased from Denali real quick. Okay, so I'm looking at my Posh purchases here. I did purchase this on Poshmark. I paid $30 for a 14-piece repair box, no bundling. No guarantees of sizes, brands, condition, or anything. I'll put that information right here so you can see what that order looked like. She also did a video, which she talked about on her Instagram. So prior to purchasing, she really encouraged people to go over and watch the YouTube video so they knew exactly what they were getting in these repair boxes. And she does a lot of liquidation, has a lot of items that come in with very small repairs needed. And she had an influx of those items and needed to get rid of a lot of them really quickly. So she did this offering. So again, it was 14 pieces for $30 plus shipping. We will go ahead and go through all of the items real quick and I'll show you kind of like what their condition is and everything and what I think I can do with them. So with the repair box, specifically my intent was to repair as many items as I could to give them the life they deserve and sell them on Poshmark and my other platforms. But then if there were some that were just beyond repair, then I would take those and upcycle those into new products. So ultimately saving a large amount of clothing from going to the landfill. So that was my goal. I really had the bar set pretty low based off of Denali's video. I'm also going to link her video down below, because what I think she did a remarkable job of was honestly what I would call like under promising and over delivering. That can be a huge part of business. That's a huge piece of being a successful business person in my mind. If you over promise and you under deliver, you're gonna have, you know, some problems because people have an expectation. But the way Denali did it is she totally under promised. She's like, don't have any expectations. Some of these could be trashed. I mean, she really reiterated like, these are not for everyone. She showed example pieces that could be in there. She did a great job at doing that. So without further ado, let's go into the 14 pieces that I got, and you guys can tell me what you think in the comments down below. Which ones are repairable, which ones are not. Okay. Some of them I'm gonna have to look for what was wrong because it was, like I said, it was like a week ago that I opened. This is C/Mayo Collective. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Here's the tag. It's a size small. It's a cute little dress. Oh, I see it. Okay, right here. See, some of them are so small. So it's got this little area that needs repairing. So that's just gonna be simple mending for me. It looks like some of this thinner material just ripped. So I am not concerned about repairing this. I'm going to attempt to put comps of anything that I want to repair and sell up as well. So hopefully I can do that to help you out so you can see the value of it, but I don't see any other damages on this. This one's cute. It's lined. I like it. It's cute. Okay, next is kind of the same color. Slate and Willow. Size medium. Oh, I see a little tear in the back of this one. This one I might repair. I'll comp it and decide on this one. You guys will have to let me know what you think here on this one. It's kind of a weird dress. I can't really get it to do what it needs to do here. But it's definitely a maxi dress, size medium, and it has a rip on the back that I think, because it's located where it's located on the seam on the back, I could actually, I don't know. I don't have a lot of experience with this type of repair. So what do you think? If it's on the back, you know what, because it's on elastic, I think I can repair that. So that's Slate and Willow maxi dress. That's really cute. Next is a Rachel Zoe size 4 jacket. That's really cute. It's a plaid, like a wool tweed. It appears it is a wool nylon combo, 70% wool. So yeah, this is nice, and it has a polyester lining, so it's nice and soft on the inside. You don't get the itchiness, but you get the thickness. I love that. Oh, that is so freaking cute. Tell me I'm not gonna keep this. Dang it. It's missing 2 buttons, so I will go through, maybe 3. I will go through my grandma's stash of vintage buttons and adorn this with vintage buttons that all match if I can find 5 that match. If not, I will try to seek out some replacement buttons that look similar. But that is a really nice jacket. I love that. That would be great for fall for listing. So that'll get listed to be resold. This one is a nude. Almost all of them had these dry cleaning tags on them with the barcodes, and some of those were covering the brand label, and that was really bothering me. So I looked it up and found out how to take those off, and you just basically press it with an iron until it pulls off. So if you want to get those off, I don't think it's gonna impact your selling price if you're selling these, but just a tip if you wanted to. So this is, I love these, and I don't know what to do with these, so somebody might have to help me here. So this is the brand. This brand comps for really high. I already comped these because I've never heard of the brand. They're like these metallic, like paper bag waist kind of shorts, and they've got like the pockets in the front here, but they have a couple spots where the metallic, see right there, and okay, so on the front right there, and right there on the back. So tell me what in the comments what you think I should do with these. Do I upcycle them, make them into something completely new, or try to repair those and resell them? They're so cool though, dang it. Okay, next is something I'm keeping. I'm obsessed with it. Yumi Kim, I love the silk dresses that this designer has. This is a size medium. These dresses retail for a pretty good amount of money, even at, even resell for a good amount of money. They retail for several $100s. Back this up for you. Back it up. So pretty, look at that. This is the flaw that little tiny baby snag on the breast. So I will be keeping this and embracing that flaw. Isn't it so pretty? Definitely keeping this even with that little flaw. Obsessed. All right, let's get intimate again. Okay, next up. By the way, I do Instagram lives where I sell a lot of my excess inventory that I haven't gotten listed yet on Tuesdays. So if you're interested in scoring some things before I list them at cheaper prices, I theme the items and I talk about them in my stories in a post upcoming up to that Tuesday. So if it's something you're interested in, you can pop in. I've done vintage. I did a mishmash just my first week, and I've done vintage, and tonight I'm doing bleach dyed stuff. Okay, this is a Diane Von Furstenberg, which great brand, size small. This one has like a stain right there. It's like big blue stain. And then I think there was a big blue stain on the back, but I'm definitely gonna try to clean this up first. Yeah, see that? And it's not even that, it's not that bad. It's really a shame. This is a very soft sweater, very good quality. And it's a size small. So what do we think I should do with this one? If I love these bell sleeves too. If I try to get the stain out and it doesn't come out, what would you suggest that I do with that one? Okay, next up is a pair of blank NYC. The Mercer cut is the cut. They're a size 28 and they're white. And they have a little staining right here. So I'm gonna like splatter dye these or maybe embroider some stuff on those little stains or do some patchwork or something. So I'm really pleased with these. They're next to new condition. I'm gonna try to get the stain out first, but if it doesn't come out, then plenty of options there. Next is a Parker size 0 ruffle skirt. I don't see anything wrong. Oh, wow. I had to search long and hard to find anything wrong with this. Right on a seam, little baby hole right there. That's a 5-minute fix. That's super easy. I'm excited about that one. Okay, next is 7 for All Mankind, Blair Authentic, high waist skinny. Size, freaking what size are you? This one might be missing the size tag. I thought it was on this, but
10 years later.
I'm not seeing the size tag, so maybe that's what's wrong with this one, is it just doesn't have a size tag. Got zipper, button works.
10 years later.
I don't really know what's wrong with these, other than there's just not a size tag on these 7 jeans, so that looks great to me. Oh, I think this is gorgeous. I already shared this on my Instagram, but this is a Slate and Willow dress. It's like a tweed. Oh my god, isn't that so pretty? Let's pull this out a little bit here. Oh my gosh, isn't that so gorgeous? The repair is, again, kind of on a seam, so just a little hole right there. See it? So I would highly recommend this box if you are somebody who is good at making repairs, because if you think about the return on the investment, which I will add the numbers at the end because I have to run them, and I haven't ran any of the numbers on, like 90% of these I haven't run numbers on. So I want to see what my potential profits are going to be after repairs. I have all the supplies on hand, so there will be no cost involved. There will just be a little bit of time involved. But these are the things that I save to make repairs when I'm not feeling well. I just kind of like sit in bed and make repairs. So I will let you all know what I expect to profit off of all the items once I figure out how many I'm selling versus the cost of the box. But I will definitely make money on this box, on one item alone. I know I will, just by knowing some of the brands. So this is Millie, and it's a size small sweater. I honestly think it's because it's shrunk. Like, this doesn't have any holes or problems, so I think it's just that the sweater is honestly just shrunk. It's wool. I'm assuming it's wool that somebody washed or shrunk, but it's still very cute. I love that ruffling that it has on the bottom of it. I like it. I like it a lot. Slate and Willow. Another Slate and Willow. This is a size small. This is a Slate and Willow blazer. Now, as I was saying, I believe it's a Nordstrom House brand. I think. It's not one that I come across here ever really, but this is a poly cotton blazer and it's just missing the buttons. So again, I have an entire sewing case of buttons that are vintage. So this will become like one of a kind because it will have different buttons than any of the other ones because it's been upcycled. I'm saving my favorite thing for last besides the dress that I was obsessed with and I love. These are a pair of black pants. The brand is Bailey. The size is 44, and they're just like a wide leg basic kind of pant. And they're missing a couple of those buttons you can see on the bottom, but that would be it. So overall, I think $30 for 14 pieces. I mean, that's just roughly like over $2 an item. I guess almost $3, somewhere between 2 and 3 maths. That's in line with where I try to keep my cost per item when I am sourcing out at thrift stores, is like between $2 and $3 per item tops, excluding the bins. The bins are cheaper than that per item most of the time. It depends if you do it right. So I'm gonna say I'll probably sell 12 of the items out of the 14. So the last one I'll definitely sell, and I'm not worried at all about making the repair on this. It's Tory Burch. Love me some Tory. I also love this shirt so much. It's a silk shirt. I honestly had to look for a very long time to figure out like what the heck was wrong with it. Sometimes with silks you get snagging, so I initially looked for snagging. There's no snagging, so I was like, what is wrong with this thing? There's some very light staining in the pits. So I'm going to apply a vinegar treatment. You do like vinegar on a towel and kind of like blot it lightly. Wait, do it again, do it again, do it again. So I'm gonna try that, see what happens with the Tory Burch one. So hopefully we can get this one back in business because she is so gorgeous. Gorgeous, look at that. Ooh, yeah. So let me know down in the comments below if you think I should try to repair those couple of items, and if so, like how I should go about it or what I should do. And if you like what you see, please, 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 love, love, love all of the support and love from people who watch. So if you did like what you saw, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment of support down below. Maybe share the video with your friends. Sharing is caring. I felt it really important to jump back into the YouTube scene by supporting someone who has been just absolutely wonderful to me, and who I think that the community should be very comfortable with utilizing as a source for various types of boxes. So again, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I will be back sooner rather than later with more content for you. Also, if there's some kind of content that you missed that I used to do or that you want to see me do, please comment down below. I would love to hear your feedback as well. Thank you so much for watching, and happy reselling. Bye.